Hey guys, we're like 6 minutes away from the ship. Jennifer Vlogs has gone to sleep. Alpha has no inno. He looks like he's got no inno.
No, Missy knows. It's just babysitting up at a different location.
Baby, let's cruise away from here. Don't be confused. The way is clear. And if you want it, you got it forever. Oh, this is not a one-night stand, baby. Let the music take your mind. Just releasing, you will find you're gonna fly away. Magic on my.
What's up, y'all? Finally going out of the room. 'Cause, these guys just wanted to sleep till tomorrow. Go on. Everyone do your outfits. These are our outfits for today. Let's go find somewhere to eat.
Everything is right. Do what you must, and inch by inch we get closer and closer. Oh, to every little part of each other. Ooh, baby, let the music take your mind.
Hey guys, it's day 3 of our cruise, and we just jumped off up onto Kids Club, and we're taking baby out for a swimsies. Swap cameras. So here we are. We're just at Cairns. We got to Cairns this morning, and yeah, look at that view. Beautiful way. Full-time vloggers tomorrow. Yeah, so we'll keep you guys updated. We've been a bit slack because Alpha's been driving us crazy, so back from the Cairns.
And if you want it, you got it forever. Oh, I could just stay there inside you and love you, baby. Let the music take your mind. Hey, just release it.
We've dropped the kids off to Kids Club. Have a coffee. And now we're just going for a walk to get some pizza. Get something quick to eat.
Cruising together. The music is played for love.